We did. We answered 9 hours worth of questions and under oath, and that's about all we can do at this time. I've tried to respect Judge Harrell and the system and not be commenting and trying the case in the newspaper. I think that's my obligation as a judge. At some point, you get attacked enough, maybe you can make an exception, but I'm not quite there yet. So
you're not. What you're saying is you're not privileged to make a statement regarding your testimony today.
I'm certainly not going to talk about what I testified to today, but there was 9 hours worth of deposition questions under oath, and I answered the questions.
What are your thoughts on Michael Warden getting locked up?
That's a
wrongful conviction.
That's something I need to. I'll make a statement when it's appropriate about that, and I respect the job you have to do, but it needs to be done in a proper sequence, and when the time comes, I will make a statement.
This has to have taken a toll on you.
Really?
Your thoughts on you having to revisit this issue 25 years after the fact?
Well, obviously it was 25 years ago, and I'm glad the deposition is over.
Do you feel like your testimony has shed some light on the facts of the case?
A deposition tends to be an adversarial proceeding. It's one side of the testimony without the other side of the testimony, because only one side asks questions. So, in a sense, it's not really designed to get to the bottom of things. It's designed to perpetuate testimony. So, you know, in a perfect world, there would be a different way to go about this, and I think society and the criminal justice system as a whole needs to look real hard about how we're going to get to the bottom of why something didn't work, and evidently at this point we can all agree that something didn't work.
Did you find it difficult, forced to answer questions knowing that you, as a former district attorney, former prosecutor, sitting district judge, you're accustomed to asking all the questions?
Well, there'll be a time to come and talk a little more, but everything that was done when I was district attorney was done properly.
Last thing, on the state bar, you have an option as an attorney to have that hearing public or to keep it private. What will be your choice on that?
I don't know where the state bar is.
Okay.
They have a procedure, and all I know was that they said something in the newspaper about how the procedure, I'm not quite sure what it was. They said it's a confidential procedure, but I read about it for the first time on the front page of the Statesman.
Have they contacted you?
I think that would be a hard question to answer, but in any event, the first time I heard anything about it was when I opened up my morning newspaper.
Very well. Thank you, Judge, for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.